So I'll be showing you how to change the hotspot password of your iPhone 15 or iPhone 15 Pro. This is basically meant to lock out people you previously shared your password with, or people who know your password one way or another, and you want to lock them out of your hotspot. Go to settings. Under settings, go to personal hotspot, tap on that, and then you should see the hotspot section. This is the button to switch it on or off, and then you have your Wi-Fi password. So tap on that. This is basically your hotspot password. So you can delete the password that's there and put in the password you want to use moving forward. And then tap on done. And as you can see, that's now our hotspot password. It's called Wi-Fi password, but it's basically the hotspot Wi-Fi password, because a hotspot is basically a Wi-Fi you create with your iPhone, right? So that's it. That's basically how to change your hotspot password. So now people will no longer be able to connect to your hotspot with the old password. It's really as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.